I can't believe the advances they've made in heat pump technology just in the last 10 years. I mean, they're selling them in New Jersey and New Hampshire and Michigan.
Yeah, they're able to perform a lot better in those really cold climates. So, yeah, they've come a long way.
Now,
They sure have.
what is it that they're doing different? People ask me to explain an air conditioner, and I've tried 50 different ways. And I had a good air conditioning friend said, Rosie, when anybody asks you, just tell them it's a machine that moves heat.
That's it. That's all it is.
And in the winter, you have a reversing valve, and it moves the heat inside instead of outside.
Correct.
True story. True story. Heat pumps basically change the temperature probably 25 degrees versus a gas furnace nearly 50 degrees. So you do see more immediate heat with the gas furnace, hotter and faster. But the space will condition and get more comfortable if it's taken care of slowly. And so heat pumps have learned how to gently move the air into the house, more specifically so that it's maintaining the temperature and there's less fluctuation, so it's able to keep that temperature. So the only time you're truly seeing big concerns is when you're turning it on from completely off. Let's say you were out of town or something like that. Otherwise, maintaining the temperature with heat pump is much easier, especially here in Arizona where our winters, let's be honest, they're quite mild, aren't they?
Yeah.